Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Never. I greet you now with better stars, my friend. They talking from Victor Dumenwa, one of the universe, the social media president, then switch to social media king. Dumenwa, one of the universe. I order with my drink, so you are we not? You just look person like me. That masses. I'll call they follow my brother. They fight for social media. I don't get sense be that now. Now be say me that masses even why. Why ya Terry? Even what no giri. For you don't know, they insult me. You know, I comment to you. Me and they even they dance. No, me you know say there's something you must understand that. And you know hit me. We don't shout. Imagwan they your video. You need to believe that say men they if men they talk, boys go they look. How do I find on that video? Oh, go kill you that masses. Me go. Did you see why people don't respect some of Onajuju? Men we tiebona, e kola si we na tie me tiebome. Tiebome, cause my mother, cause my father. Ask yourself, iye tiebon we there? Ew. I tiebon ira there? Ew. I tiebon ijwe there? Ew. Iye tiebon we no we tobu we na. Iye tiebon we there? Ew. Ubege bonu tie. No. Nene mi judge be. Okay. What is your problem with me? You summoned a friend yesterday. I make call, everything go. Okay, you summoned a friend here today. Then I make call. Then you call the verse. And you don't even know what me are there. Part of fair talk. Before I won't call, I might tell you, my brother. Yet he I can never come so low. Rather, I will still keep on. You see what? Even before today, today, me on I see give a paper. I see come one or two persons say. Là où il y a des francs qui vont. If you don't know me, you know. When my brother, who got tight me ban, who got big. No, man, not to go talk anything. My walk back, week back. And then look back sunu. If you see for social media, it will be a disaster. When my got on there, thank God, who my cat with that a bad person. Thank God, I believe say that person really know me, and go ask that person again. Go tell you the inner dada. My work be, my way no break or break. You don't know. So I want to tell you, I call the person, say, no matter what, a guy na move, and he go talk to this guy wife. Ina yetie what when my brother, my friend from Victor see daylight today now we laugh with water me. Ina get your wuhan or army we a bini lao etie bono wuhan. La wu baba. Your wuhan. No. When you hear the whatever you realize video from Victor, the man the social media king, the amamion one of the my yamoyo is a tiger that will bite all of us. Ina yeti na we baba la wo your wuhan. Na we lao baba or wukimano no matter what. He's still our wife, please. Or we know with that work. The video is still there now. Or we walk out with begging whether they didn't see again Nanya. I was still trying everything to make sure I calm my brother down. Which is from Victor. I was trying to calm him down. He made it to understand. Then, now we tell locate. Say, okay, that man, I eat day, that pa, the nifty doctor, I eat day, we confirm. Now, of course, okay, like this. Me tararana man. Me align as a man, not be as a woman. Now me tarara man. Now me cause okay, say I play, okay. Me e payo de enter aso. Oko na fi call pa. Na ti call pa. E pa domosa. Giving us no or timeva hui. So anawe or tie or hanwo or masuki okay beer and operation. On e pana wo ime. When we are imeda wana. But the truth is that my brother Frankie Dadamasi so Germany is not again now love you know so they don't come where they he is a great man so princess thank you so man should not go far But you see where you are getting it wrong. And also give me down. Those soon where. What will you feel? What will you think this thing is coming from? Menu Tiebona insulted my father, my mother, even me myself. I have never insulted you for once. I have never insulted your mother for once. And I promise you I will not. If I want to do anything, you will hear. If me, Dada Masses, want to do anything, thank God, see person don't fit say Dada Masses na bad person. See go ask him again. Maybe the person know me go tell you be Dada Masses. Itam wa dedegbe ebo dame wegbe ono say na tie bo no one, and you prove it. You want to see the ghost. Edowano. Abi, I know you know say me you don't fit talk. You tell me say you too gallant. Say I don't want to go far. I no cause say my brother la wo eya see there. You see us everywhere palace, everywhere you're cool. Eya see there, not be being so. Thank God who tell mama. Who pay voice record go. Now with Dada na no na or they quiet but on one down. See go ask question where. Okay, tell me now what I do me you cost me your fans they cost me. Just if you are to be truthful to yourself now, I will never to stop to see the bad people me when insult your wife for them to see me they not insult your wife no matter what, because I've already like her as a sister, and I still continue to see they preach me they not they put your wife matter. Yes, but okay, a call out when no what only when not here ball. When ube no say ne bog, most of una do be no say ne na wina. Uge ga table no ma no ma tie no. O ma no ma tie we 20. Even o ma ni tie we na, even a video ni ma we from Victor, I ma tie we 20, e mi from Victor e gwan yi. Ube no say ne bog when I mo bon wina say. Yes. E mania, my brother, we ge wa mu gbe me, mu gbera mu gbije me. Is that normal thing as a brother? And this person you are talking about, he might hear bonwe de. Ugwa when you try, who are trying me or one when you try me because of my dying, be by no gele me. And I'm not. There's no day I don't ever come live video cut and say I'm a God sent or I'm too righteous, I'm too holy. I don't tell you that I preach peace due to my experience. So my brother, we be a normal and say I'm true to talk, but I will never insult you. Do you know why? There's still a room of peace. Oh God, call me. Okay, Michael, for that video, invite me now. Press invite. I will invite you now. You don't understand? There's still a room for peace. You know, get more yeta. Yahweh minigba egba. Anonagba. Imana me bo we live video. You know, get beg. No go create unnecessary tension. No go create that beg. No, sir. God will bless. Mama, I beg whoever. So, my brother, I not offend you. God forbid. I know no, don't say that, David, that we don't do that. You know, don't do that. Whatever we are doing to each other today, it may affect us tomorrow. Just like now you talk yesterday, say Dada, any ata, no, umata, and today you come out again. Dada, you are a snitch, you are a betrayer, you are this thing. Oh God, hey, era, you does it really cut for? You as a gamma, check out that it makes sense. No make sense. It don't make sense. You have a big platform where you can preach peace. You don't know how many of your niggas may you live, how many of your friends may you live for your area. You know, saying now where they did the city, try to use your media, elevate them. Show them way forward. Instead of coming out, bros, we're too young for all those things. The other masses will not come so low to do that, never. When I know I have something special to do about. But what I want to beg you, my brother, it creates unnecessary tension out of ignorance. Now, what I tell you, not create unnecessary tension out of ignorance. It's a confirm. So what I'm trying to tell you that if whatever I did, I talk about Frank Victor, imagine Bonwe, my brother. Imagine Nijwe. Imagine Nira. I did not say anything concerning to you. I just say that when men talk, boys go they look. And as in, okay, what you call the batting? I call it, we call it So what I could do? What you could do? What's another about? And there's some women they can funny that I was no. What you be stagger? Just ask yourself. We women as we are doing live video. Imagine bonwede. We okay. One sango, where Oguni enemy, ugegwa mu egboma. And on no more benia, or my table gay, or my non sick with there. You see why those things does not work. Uno see yana ye bogu waku. Yes, I get tiebo. I get tiebo. I get tiebo. You cause for a reasonable things so that the thing will act very fast. But I will still tell you, say, Onona Yanwe, wow, Dada, Frank Victor, who mena ye calm down. Egba. We wa lele one about or one about. Wagalele, Maya, Dada na big name. A hassle name, you know. Dada na hassle name. Na electric freak made they shock people. For those that know that name, Dada. Or shock him, you know. He passed through fire, before gold become gold. He passed through fire. Before that name, Dada, we are name and English. Oh, not time I go, madani. Or later, I no say nana mu Dada me. So don't bring the ghost. People may not come out to challenge you. Say, hey, Frank, no, my brother. No, you are my brother. But I will tell you that there's still a room of peace. Believe me. If Frank Victor le boya fe no rotak bona. Ara mu ejo ya mu ewe regbe ajowa. Monta. Then you guys will not come as a brother. No, but they need in a way. We no Jenna. We ni ever wa Jenna. Ni ever ga wa a part try no settle in ever. That was my conversation with him to tell you that you know say ne bogu and amubomuna. People will be promoting the betterment of you guys. Then what atiebo. Ubege unyawe normal way me do damn you do. Ubege don't wanna make me dana awe me dama. What atiebo ne ogba. But don't wanna mwe. Uwa etelu dana ina ya depa inya vaga ware. Lao baba a gwale duwe na ya setu inya va nezona fu. Pana woke problem you know. You did that video they cost. Where what me find as peace what a day for na two. Just as I'll be doing. Then we had to table. Hey, bo, 6 o'clock you when again, if not say now I will not say anything. Nu we na katie boni me ye. Nu na tinida me tinije tem anybody. Do you know? Thank God when I'm not full part Bini, I'm one part Bini, one party job. I can let us forget those things. And Emma, it's not good, my brother. Let's respect ourselves. What you just did, insulting person that have not insulted you, I can use it to complain to what I believe in case you never know. Because walk at you, man. When you do gui, at you wasona, iye gu woman of Yano, iye gu woman. De no mona way wason. Oh man, no ye kinwe. We dem no we de no ata uwe utio maezo nyena ya tie ne no kpea so nyena jo we ne ne kpea nyena de tie ne no kpea so okay inya we de no ta me ne no kpea uwe Eh? Sorry, my people. So now I don't know where what's no I got here, bonnet. Maybe you're man I don't know your whatever you believe on that you are using to protect. I don't know way. Why do you not insult him? Umimita. You are being judged. I don't know beso ma to be my me yas logic be my man. How do I say million? And you know I use a 5 naira yourself. I will look at lady. We should be very careful, my brother. We are all men. Let's walk as a man. Eh? So my brother Emma is not good. Just okay, well, we are affiliate. We are here, man. You were very happy, you were comfortable. Think of yourself. That you were putting your phone on course for people to insult me. My father, my mother, you were very happy? You feel comfortable? That's meaning we are not mad there. Believe me. Don't do that. Emma. Up till now, it may you the peace. Because it after now, why you anything? I will be matanya. So no need of we trying to be making road where road no day. So I was trying to just see what I can do, find 1 or 2 location, 1 or 2 person. That was my plan. And that is still my plan. So igualone waka jojo get bonane. Wama tie me we dada la wo garone na we know. Ya when you were babana. When my way from Victor ni come together ni me from Victor babana. Igbebe we gata we mde bonano. So naka woge bonana la you told them. Aka we la you told them because me is nowhere to be found. He's dead before I arrive. And then na sunu and we saw it on live video that is unnecessarily. Guys, what did who could be this one again? Hey God. Eh? But, eh? So, my people, if you watch that our brother video just now, look at you as a normal human being. Person made it cost me now. Eh? I never cost her once. Okay, if you be fan, I know say you be fan now. You say I dey support from Victor Abi. Okay, yes, I dey support from Victor. I don't cost that our brother. I don't cost you. I don't cost you, mama. I don't cost you, papa. Okay. You see maturity. You see what maturity looks like. So my brother, change your ways. Believe me, that masses don't do stagger. Don't create unnecessary tension. A word is enough for a while. Create unnecessary tension. Because I got nowhere work. Okay, what did that do? A bros of party me where now. I don't want to make sure your name. A man I respect so much. Or with that masses, la will go. Let's see the way we can bridge stop to all those rubbish. Now say, Baba, Emma with you. What's sununa? 90 you know, I don't know. So we were trying to, my brother, you don't behave like a man then. And you see, you be guy man know they do things like that. Guy man know they shot. As you they shot, so video. As you they shot, so real guy man go no say no level. Say after they took 11 and we we'll go with live video. So now what to make me know say, but tell me no got want here, ball all this color. You know say again. Might tell you something. I be a do any job well. Can no mwetinya me mwetinya. You understand me? Can no mwetinya, me mwetinya. Ube bonu tie ni ya ne atango do wa me se ni bun no kiri vasire. Yeti muya igadae. Or anything no rendezvous, we should not ask anybody because he might see anywhere. He might see anywhere one day. He might we video ta woman hey boy now go kak be o enemi o isango oromila o hey igbesu o. He might hear there because I know nothing worth insulting people for. You understand? I Dada masses, I will not come so low. to say I want to do stagger with you, or no, that is not stagger. But I will just tell you that anything you are doing now is not going to help issue. Many that masses or your time away. Why am I any place you will be more at you? I'm telling you the truth. They now to come as a brothers. This one are revenue for with the youth. You are a youth. I'm a youth. Frank Victor, we are all youth. How to come together? How do you create a peace? It's a revenue. You understand it, man? So any yan we this thing. So my brother, if I will still tell you, I will still keep on to beg my brother to please. You should not talk about your wife. We not line of forgive her way. Yes. Because even today, he may ya beg out a Frank Victor tell me we la forget all lao. Oh, where wife what deal with take what? Anyway, I didn't want to talk and say don't okay. If Frank Victor now ya we make it 20 euro with Facebook. We were using him make it 30 euro. Which I see. You understand? So my brother Emma, Tadamas is a mega house. As in, I'll be also name. Ekini we thinking. So we are one in our man, and I will still keep on doing that. They told you saying we can't work, I will still keep on. Any office in Uriya Muari except Mama. Imana on any office in my game area. Hey, we remove office in Yadi Namuadiwa. Then I do tell wa. As a brother, ikitano bo efion mai. Ikitano bo efion mai. Ubi akbeli mego kwa. We sure. We ati beli mego kwa dada masis. I'm the dawn. We tik beli me. Wa akbeli me 50,000 kwa. Ugo. Ido so yuaru. Yawe. Ido so yoruwe ya wuwe nu na gbele mengo kwa. Ido so yoru wu wa gbele mengo kwa. Yen when ya mi go me ido so yoru my brother. My brother, okay, we guide we no you will not believe that in the data na matano agwale do na ya settle ogo why. Which is this is what I've been doing since morning ni ya mi beni. Any try ni uno. To call one or two people that is even close to you. Me, I was looking for people that is close to Enoge. Look for people that is close to Frank. Ni ma wa okay family issue. So, but here guy care. Okay, because me get Frank Galatian. You know to talk to you. As in, hanka wago. Una yage my comment to Wage Frank Lago who I beg my brother. Don't talk about his wife. Don't play his wife audio. Let me see that because I see know that we are all young generation. We are brothers. We are, we need to come together and stop all those things. You understand what I mean? So I was still working out to see the close partner to all those people so that now as you they talk to that Epa, the nifty dot now okay. Epa, after matter now why is it matter now why I set to then we read live video with we are chebonime. I make gwali settle me here we ke. Ubege boyan ki support well. Ki na well. Where got chebo with you? Are you mama? Ya mwe bono to boma. Ubesu egbese. My brother lao. Life is not like that. We must know how to control our temper. You understand? We must know how to control our temper. So that we not make mistake. I think people they expect answers I come out and say I want cause no. You know why I will not want cause. In case anything, I will say something to order. Nyonge get man. Imagine where my brother. If I want to bite you, I can bite you from afar. If I want to bite you right now, Dada Masis, I can bite you from afar. In anything you believe. How you are Tigbo, whatever, I can bite you from afar. What's your zo? Wage, akbe, mawe buenami okba. Ogege acheboni rame, ocheboni jeme, ochebomi. One way was here, or we was in Nachi, Frankie, Nana. That is it. Ocheboni, what in any baba, Otawa Madakian, So what is all this, my brother? No, God forbid, NCC go be no now. So my brother, I no gay. We have a long things to do. We are all brothers. You don't understand? Oh, where? Me pre ni yari the matter. Me ma pre na su where? Ogo Wuhawe, Eme begging. Up to now, I'm still begging that, please, Sir Wuhan, you way. Leave his wife, please. Ime ye imya wina se where was so high walao. Bros lao was so high. Enoginoro ya okbukya wahin. That is who I am. So whatever you think that whatever you think that you just did today, I know you will realize. Maybe not the way body take pain you, maybe not the way body take prepare you. You will still realize tomorrow. You will still realize. And you will know that life is not like that. You don't understand? Peace is what I want. Bros, okay, when you tana yeta, it can already moari. I will be more jiwa. And in not a BAK, no go cause unnecessary tension. Not be beans. No go cause unnecessary tension. So we should just know that we will not gain anything by bullying ourselves, insulting. From the one of this tagger, you see, I always protect your wife that, hey, Wokima, because I know the value of women and wives and all those things. But I never pleaded for you. I was pleaded for your wife because I know, say, not to concern our wife, not to concern our children, not to concern our mama, not to concern our papa. You understand? But I was not pleaded for you. I was pleaded for the family issue because those one are family, not concerned with, not to concern our family about what they go on for social media. Now, I won't. So, on a two months, I don't ourselves. You don't understand? So, so my brother, doing all those things does not really call for. Believe me, it's not really called for. Just feel that you open your phone as a gamer. As I did now, you open my phone. I'll say, what do I tell Boninogi? Am I insane? What will I gain from that? For say, hey, Ogun, Isango, Ailala, no. Will that bring any solution? Will that bring any impact? Why can't we work together as a brother? You know, we are insulting each other is not the best. But we're familiar. Just like the other day, person that I come and say they look for your papa address. I come out now and say no. It already has soon we webo. Or my can family ma wa. I see first say no. Ina oginyamwe ere ukbana or nyamu ije they go involve in no family for us before no go no. Me myself, I'll see do what I'll still do. Is it no? But when I talk that matter that time, on a day me that a better person, that a better person. That a better person. But now, the same thing still happen. And they do it for the same my friend now. No, that be bad person. When that was fighting for the same enoge, say if anybody, if we hear say this matter, there is a arrest, they bring her come enoge family house for Benin or for Nigeria. Me that masses, I go carry upon myself. I will still do what I can do before enoge go who know. That kind of na the emu, that masses na better person. Umenwa, you get brain. You are a very sensible person. The same thing now, I do it to my friend Frank Victor. And now Frank Victor platform now for talk that thing. On another say that people who come and say I'm a green snake to Frank Victor. But they know ya will be ayabuyenedo. But today now I'm doing the same thing to Frank Victor now. When I do a check on him, or when you okay. When a GPC now he call on a name, not be me. He say me they go my profile. Me they use me to create fake account. You know, my brother, I beg you in the name of God. Don't create unnecessary tension. I beg you in the name of God. Lao, my brother, Lao. Don't create unnecessary tension. There is a different way they do stagger. Believe me, I swear it with my generation. There is a different way I always stagger. Any man, my anybody. Hey, what is enough for the one? Lao. Don't create unnecessary tension. There is different way I always stagger. That is my truth. Thank God, Lao, my brother. Yeah, hey, new generation. See, my friend, new generation prophet. See, I was a back back. Only what we be done. That's why we Africano. Who we not pull out pa, my brother. Mighty with your pa. So not create unnecessary tension. Lao, my brother. Lao. Yet go where we stagger. In one year, now one we stagger. But there is a different way to do stagger. Now do you few boy you walk well? I'm telling you the truth. The ghost in us is very horror. Very young, my brother. Lao, bros. It's that guy, man. We are brothers. Why? Okay, what will you gain? Nigga, for your president, they were causing a young boy like you. Dada masses. Hey, if you GPC, why? What is it? Okay, which are the causes? Okay, just think. And you be satisfied as a boy. And when you are born, think of it. We take you born nagle paye mani. Okwa ogo ko ni wa ya mengese. Owo gun side. Ogwen enemy. Isango no nene. Ina wo ko na. Nyeke we na age boy. Abi we nyeke we na atie boy. Emnu tie ni mama. La ho. Ni mama opa ma eva do logima. Ono suna geme. I hardly insult people. Because immediately got tie bono egbeba we ma tie ni me. Igege tie no. Egbeba ni me believe yi. Immediately we believe yi. Don uya uri go kinya wo wani asobu no believe yi. Uga geleka tie bono mana. Miakawa gwine obeva ya gwi igwine do igwinijo edo believe on dailala odogun ode whatever mem why ijo the other side ma believe in igbesu ameke kamaya e ma ya leru kekorwe ma egbo koko iye ko we okay o wala o ni biem wa ke imawe no pa we ko ya gu we no obiado gwi ma biado we no bijo ya gwi ma igbesu. But what will we gain on doing that? Emma, my brother, Lao, we have a way of changing the narrative. So, my brother, Emi ya know when you were totally wrong. You too go upstairs and you too paranoid. I control temperature, man. When you was soon, you will not cool down. You see what Jamie cannot do does not exist. Now Jamie, they honor what we did funny. You know, I calm down. Then you calm down, you follow issue up. When no say nana tamawe, I mean when me ati so ma wahwe as far as those states as concerned. Neze yo me when me no see it. Because he calm down. He tie ami ehwene. Oh we. Emi ya no we na my brother magba. O magba. Eno keke no we o. Bomo so no we yo dada. Imalake mi no o. O the phone. Ma wa o ha magwa we na. No wo hand it ma we magwa. We meye me nenebe. I was still looking for settlement. No, we hand it to my wo hama gwan wena. My wo ha gwan for or from Victor in real life video. Ina ya beg from Victor la wo so how you way leave your wife oh matter. Leave your wife matter. No wo ha. You understand? Dada, we ma beg in Ghana dada, you know say not clear, you know say not clear. Me you say you will no shaking, CIB. Which I already did one. Then I'll tell you why face bears bros, nothing. When we were wakutana na. Uwaye lao atu we every mono kaya chebo me. Keka we honi. Lao in we wakutana my brother. We are to buwe ya video ni wa dini datana gile unda we or tioma no chepa or unde or chepa. What chepa machebo me. What chepa mata we me. On matter what ti mouri by Frankie, et pas we Franck on ragouan. Et que des nidada qui les wa ou wenia. What's in a gili a tiempo nidada? What's in a mwe bog bay? Ask yourself. and our beautiful wife was there. On that damn yo, they use women. When they use women. While we who, my brother. So my brother, that thing you did, I know you will. It was anger, sha. I know saying anger, but you still know how to calm your anger. A case of equity. No, I don't mean ibaligbe. Help your missy. Pepe podi we know. Kita no befion my. And I'm begging you, don't create unnecessary tension. When they play, I beg. Don't create unnecessary tension. I beg you in the name of God. We are all brothers. Let's live as one. You know, now we the run. Enoge, my guy. Umabe we got table ni me. Ina ya arriba. Ina ya comment. Ina ya agbe watch ebo me na press me ni na agbe. Ina ya agbe you have the dawn. No I have nothing against you. True to God. But your matter dey my mind though. You know why I know fit tell you now because we dey abroad or I know fit guys how to ask you. Okay, I you open that video say message to Enoge. No na down na church play. Man make be. I make aside this ukpoko imagine. When go find agad ukpoko when you do ma. I can buy ukpoko ne. I need that. So I can never come to insult you because you are my brother. But I know one day we will take comfortable place near tea and nowhere. My brother. Thank God see someone time I will get that one thank him. Him, my brother. Now my past life, I don't say I appreciate peace. My past life was not peaceful. I don't say I appreciate peace. I was 25 years with Bowoka. So my brother, I love peace. My past life now, I travel. I do a packages in a packages. And I can't just to hear me living. So you see, my baby, we may relax in ena. You may not hear we both relax. We may relax in ena. Benny, do I appreciate akugbe nagalo. Akugbe nagalo. Wagimama akugbe nemi yagama akugbo eti. Imano igbe ute Wagim, my brother, nyaniga atiebo meba. Imani. If I want to reply, we are how we reply me no, I am not the platform you met here, but we should be thinking of this. Ekin on nachia, Ekin when I met him, we should know that the ghost in us is very, very demonic. We don't forgive people. Forgiveness not to do our dictionary. I'm telling you the truth. So, my brother, we should be careful of things we do. If you, since them man say, Enoge, you talk bad against me, say me na betrayal. You say ever since I dey talk and I dey insult him, more na talk truth. No, I say, hey, man like, hey, I don't like that Enoge because he say I be betrayer. But you can never see me insulting. But if your wife matter come to me, I'll sit back for person say like, what's your hand? That will tell you. I'm a good-hearted man, good-hearted as an arts man. You know why my heart be like this? In case you do me something, I will not find any reason to forgive you. And in case I want bite you, if I don't feel to say, now like this I want them. I know they think I'm again say, hey, why? Because I know say now you bite me without biting you. And no, please, I beg you in the name of God, we don't need this. We don't need this. Hey, Prince Osaume, aka the Jama boy. Oh no, Okbegyon. No ga. Okbegyon no ga. Prince Osaume, aka the Jama boy. Ele nak begyon gbe ni na ikbejita. Nyak bejita gbe. So my brother Lao. Please, I beg you. We don't need it. It go too disastrous. I beg. Igia you take day. Igia that man sister day. I beg. I don't feel follow you to that stagger. I beg. Remove my own. That I don't follow you to stagger for live video. It's a promise. It's not a threat. And thank God so you see no person know me. We tell you what we are capable of doing. Please, I beg you. Enogi, I beg you, say and leave down. Baba. Baba. The ghost in us is not good. The ghost in us is not good. My brother. One love keep us together. On make nous figuer. On make nous me figuer. We tia few boroma, me a few bijoma. We tia few bijoma, ya few biroma. The ghost may not be too good. Please, I beg you, we don't need it. Because of live video, we should create unnecessary tension. Please, whatever that is trending on live video have nothing to do with our privacy. Just like as you come out your mouth for me, you insulted my mother, my father back home. Does it really make sense to you? Think calm. Does it really make sense to you that you are insulting a man that have not even insulted you for once? What was my offense? I was trying to make peace, calling the way peace can restore. Then you open your platform. So, but that one are normal thing because you the first time. But the truth is that not to draw. SCB. Eka boss here, my brother. You want to know which taga? Eja. Lao brother. Lao baba. Lao. SCB. 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 Lao baba. SCB. Everybody say, I beg na copy and say, me not to draw. SCB. Lao baba, we are all brothers. Mona click that link. Wawa lele Prince Osaume ni pin yewa. Wawa subscribe to Prince Osaume YouTube channel. Get me wa pin yewa and I don't pin for the Prince Osaume YouTube channel. We go listen to better music. So enogi, it does not really call for. That is the truth. You think I will insult you? Why will I? Why should I? Please, you know. Why should that? Why should I? I said this thing last about few months ago. We me soon we live video. No cause a disaster. My wife enjoy we webo. And the thing will cause unnecessary tension. Lao, elik be mesunu. Ah wow. Don't wa mukewe a true dada. Wakaya achieve nana gwa. Elik be me ya lenu wa. Because I la no fene. Agi go pofen. Uzo agi. Brother, please don't. So my brother Frank, Frank, I will still apologize. Make a will live video number. My way Frank will beg. Then you beg. Oh we that then we will no get na chebono. Now we love Frank. Why? If you know say be Frank fans, go call him. Make a live video now. Yeti mene with dada. Then we no get na chebono. Now brother, my brother, calm down. Go meto be make one. Because here go with Ladian. You will not go far more. You know we know, bros. Please let me by myself talk to her. Okay, no problem. So that will tell you that Mammy came me down. Oh no, so one guy with Mammy, we hardly forget or forgive. Oh no, c'est my chair bonoma. Que nous figure, you may be trained right, I will be trained left, or you'll be trained left, I will be trained right. But one thing we must remember. We should not dance anyhow. Things they happen, no. Things they happen. I had to back with live video. You know, kilawu yin yawe. Eka bosi matana be lao. Mabe when he come na. Awo. And he will agando lele we hon du chebonwe. But I never know. Please, my brother Lao. You me away my guy. You be my guy now. We are brothers. You know that. But the second one is this. Ore bona. When you may time me, ore bona ya setwe me ya. Imi ayi tini ni pawe palao. Magaire do huene e palao. Aeta wona riabe, oga hono na riabe, mi alla de demia, ono na riabe, mi alla, but now I use opportunity to settle the issue. That is what I stand for, or that is what I'm also going to do. In a way, bagay, I na me the talker. Anana me be my brother, Iwe, no go create unnecessary tension, no. Hey, goddamn, oh God, I'm gonna be called. Hey, la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, la lima salam. Nobody, go ask anybody. Go ask. Bros, who were here with boo? Mana also. We also well. We also well. Create unnecessary tension. We also well, bros, labo. Let's come together as a brother. Lao, my brother. Enoki. Lao. Ekabo siye tangbe. One. Because you need to at your body. Am I any? Okay, there's a reason why I'm telling you this. Oh. Thank God, do me picture me. I know you get many guys. Can send it to them and ask a very good question. I Lao, my brother, Lao. Ekabo siye tangbe. When what I say now, say. Gunwa kuwatana dada gungwe o dada wa we era bijwe o gungu o every obie. No, it does not call for or my call for o ma ko we ka bo sie tangbe na do menge kimeno gwa kimeno tiki we igbeban o me de we no ya de igbeban we na do try bania. Odo do he one or two ado okay oh ya na oh ya me anything no amani there bro amani there open na big pakpa amani there ubona all fingers are not equal, all the fingers are not equal, so you may be very powerful. I don't want you to use that your power on me memo no even supporter no nigo me. Who are be ila lagi many dada masisi. Wata me be ila lagi way. Wata we way. Okay, let me call you. You the lack orientation. You the lack gamma orientation. You know what to be gamma orientation. Now you the lack, my brother. You need go comport. Gamma no the two they lose guard like that. You don't understand? Gamma not to they lose guard. As in, Gamma they always they waiting. It think as a Gamma. Gamma they think before you go say milky Macron align for what different. You did live video. You did yes, now your way of life, but it gets so can't as a Gamma. You comport. You reason as a gamma, so that it may they listen to you. May go the chance say yes, na gamma they align so. Don't not say yes, na gamma they align so. You don't understand? All those women shouting yours now. Okay, I got play Baba now with Africa. I swear the police yo. Now that one you if they play Nana for Africa, I will go near boy agati. So, my brother, we are brothers. What will you gain in such your brother that Damasis? You are mad. Ogungagwe, Erabijwe, that's a premium. But it's in the right in it, because you're in Africa, but if I want to answer you, you will not say that Damasis not answer you. You will know. You will not say that Damasis. Na answer you. When I be big back. So my brother, let's create a room of peace. Everybody, ni time we case you never know is dead before arrival. It's time when if men they talk, boys go they look. Is dead before arrival. I tell you, and walk by we soon. I'm assuring you that. Moi dada masisi. More dada masses. But the truth is that I will still be appealing to my brother. No la no show. Because all him ada be. Imia ya imia. Yet mate we live mete la live video na babana. Ma we gwanina or winya ina we know my brother please. La wasia. Or maybe no governo bove gwa la wo ye show. I will still be pleading on your wife's behalf. But do not think Bonnie is dead before arrival. That is what I know, and that's why I'm telling you that he's dead. And I'm not mere way unnecessarily. My brother, create unnecessary tension. You don't understand. Usa the time that I was also fighting for you that anybody that involve your family back home, may to be me. Anyway, I know I can do to see support you, I will do it. Why I got with that man is not better person. That man is God will bless you. Hey, we know especially you fit talk like this. But today, I'm supporting the same person now. Nana be bad person. Why do I choguni me? Choguni rame. Choguni jeme. Chenenemi. And on teme o platform. My brother, you fish, I go stop. So, my brother, you are my brother. The truth is that we should not be creating a trade among ourselves for no reason. It does not really call for. We understand me. But if you're planning, I promise you, I will keep on pleading, my brother, to please forgive your wife. I will keep on pleading, not even or hiding. But all who wife, he must continue. He's 301 years. So, no has said to him, and I will be very happy. Anytime I will, go or a home a kafashan. Ina on ye. Ya, no, ya, gwala address. Wait, boy. E passe, il play. O ya, edi magwalo, we don't je. Lao, papa. I beti, mia. Except no, imana we on, irebe mwa diwa. I will tawa. So, my brother, forget this level. We were watching body making. You want them to say, you know, like that, my system matter. Who we are tired, my brother. In your nigga, tear body, but you know, see an boo and a couple Tony him. I get it tear ball. I give you what I will, enemy, we start on one of my children. And I agree, mama, and I agree, and I may bonnie papa, okay, yeah, agree my whatever I believe on, whatever. In different ways, okay, maybe I see, I want to say something. You will see people will come on where they can get paranoid. Okay, when you burn that video, no, you know, on my way, so. Let the battle line be drawn for people may not know one, no two. What does it really call for? It ain't my mouth, America. It's my mouth, America. Now go watch Bonia. Donc when me remember, me na with Tifuna Cheboni where would you where we are like, is it not different today? We are celebrating your father's remembrance. They need to Cheboni. Well, as a mature guy, as a man, me no works up. Now you go see they play all those kind of things. I do not know so what you play yours now. It cause unnecessary tension. You yourself, you know. You suppose don't know. Say what you play yours now. What you play yours now. It not be say unity, let's come together as a brother. It cause unnecessary tension. So my brother, what you quite boy do no with live video. My name won't bone no say it no. In case you got here, but me got fnya. Anybody in here call okay. Listen to the voice to the video. I will giyeke. And I will not say, hey, why this, that, hey, why not, why we go swell, why we not swell, why go do to say not be my friend, why not talk amo, hey, I for not swell, or I for swell, or I'm different when we go right boy. Even if your mama or tell no gay, if you me a video ni ban or ramo or okay, what's not your born money or money, what's not chinije or chinimia who we el or chenera or we el or chena wuhan or we el or chenu we who we el. Iji we or ramo jo. Hagbina. So that waragbina imanigewe or imanihawe binanwe. Inya get the reason why they are fighting for you. You understand? Yeah, made the reason why Nana been anywhere. Not just Ogun, Isango. It's not my brother, you are my brother. We don't need it. We don't need it. Let's come together. You have a big platform to liberate your people, your environment, to liberate youth. Liberate youth. Talk about Nigeria. Talk about Edo State. Talk about the way forward of our youth. How can we, even though you not like them, even though you like them, but you see use your platform to see promote, to see talk about youth. People will listen. Viewer. People will listen. People will listen to you. People may still like you before. They feel because of what you talk about the love and unity. They will see how they practice what is love and unity. Because they are seeing the unity in you. Just like what I tell you now. I preach about love and unity. So I will not cause trouble. People will say, why are you not living as an example? That's why you see me. I stand for peace and love. So, use your platform to do such. We are all brothers. We don't need to insult ourselves. And those women that was insulting me, what have I done to you? EJ, we're not going to tell about me. Sister, we're not going to tell about me. We want money. We want 10. And I know where we was. When we general, maybe your identification leak you are where. Maybe you don't leak. Who même ou même nous nana who eba ma ge nuka ubra ugege wa tiebone dada masses without ma tiebone even one no we no do tiebone dada masses e dada masses ma tiebone and identification we na leak emi aga ku we kia na ugu même no ku we kia umege enu ya tik we phone on man emu ma okpa ma eva hu weba. You don't know. You don't know? Well, just stop all those attitude of all those senseless behavior. We should stop it. Oh, man, I can't tell you. Yes. Oh, I'm big. Oh, mama, okay. It's okay, bros. Okay, I think it's okay. Somebody says okay. I should just call it a day. So, my people, I love you guys so much. If you're a friend to Enoge, tell him that he should stop. That nekabosi matanagbe. Nekabosi egbe. I can never carry Enoge to juju. I can never come out on live video to insult Enoge papa and mama. Or him himself. But he can get reply from me. He can get reply from me. I tell you. Nekabosi matanagbe. Anyone who believe you now, yeah, can go to make your contact. I'm telling you the truth. Begin to make your contact. Begin to make your contact. Anyone who believe you, yeah, can. I'm telling you the truth. If you leak, or a leak. Or a leak. Go to call your contact. You no believe ya can. No let her leak. I beg you. I get leak. In your way. When you me manibu we live video. No tiata woki ya chepone. Hey dada inya vela jaba in edit inya vela jane. But when my brother I get leak. I get leak. If you leak. Lao, Okpa, Mahin, we are all brothers. We know what Tashana, get what you. What you want to dog won't boy. Is that the time which I must boy, down and normal. But another few Begian Rowa, Emma, it's not really good. If you like it, me, I don't like it. And anybody not here, bomb without we matter now, believe me that it's still on you. And Amawe na gbe ne revier, et que si a ravier, People will know why I am crying for. People will know what I'm crying for. No gilavo. Meti kwino mati bonu we. Ama wira, ama wijue. Beto buwe gibi nuuna. Ege gase. Gasa dena dengasyon. Adon emi na taba. Dedegbe yata yeti goma wistaga. Dedegbe yata yeti goma wistaga. I'm not a good person. The ghost in me is not good. Dedegbe yata. Too righteous, I'm not too holy. The ghost in me is not good. Inogi, if anybody they insult me because of this matter, is on you. And in matter na do stretch it be, you will hear. I come in peace. La wo my brother. Tieboni mokba. Wa tieboni dadamasis. On my karamo, on my kanjeme. On my tieboni da me we jeme dada. Inogi is on you. And is on you. Is on you. And I'm going to be storing anywhere they focus, I'm going to store for my archives. In case you have found way, I will not regret it. Because if I want to bite you, I will never regret it. So please tell them to insult Ole Dadamasis. Not my father, not my mother. I beg you, I have never insulted your father or your mother. Inogi, I beg you. I beg you. When utinya ne ban we GPC abi we ni ya change picture me ni ya ye create fake account ni ya do amwe bogbe me ni ya wa amwe bogbe me shake ro. But we ado afie bogbe era me wije me is on you, my brother, because I don't know them. And don't create unnecessary tension. And I will reply. That's why not make your contact down. Wa me ginya wa che bonera me wije me. Why what's when I make a contact? You they make your contact down. And they no believe you why you can. Because you will hear from me. You're going to make your contact down. They no believe you why you can. Anytime you have to bonira me with Jimmy, the tawu magie, you carry your phone so I make a contact you. Who so why I call it contact you? They no believe you why you can. I beg you. Because I will reply you. I beg you in the name of God, now. Win my echo was silly, be my hand on Wama. Watch it for me, Dada. If you got boy, Dada, you are man. Oh, got boy, back on. What you may, when your pan with one way, or whether that may a mistress. Where, enoke, or whether that mezes, a ruji. When I want when it done him, that mezes. Hey, whoop. Mabe deti mokpa mabe uga atie bome ina ya press a love a like ina press a love a like ina ya comment ina when na me be the don I really have the don when me I want to say that when you are a young boy we are supposed to be joining our hands together it can when I make contact dada afa I get this contact no get afa I get this contact Frank Victor who may contact now Frank Victor yes he may contact now new generation who go many people everybody I get this contact. That is how we are supposed to be living with contact. Then we worry every mokpa. And I know she move wa kunla jamba. And in amio everything lays on you. And I promise you, will not create unnecessary tension. And I will reply and hear from me. God bless you guys. Now, still me, Dadamasis. If you say which I talk today, you not like and just comment. Every time I talk today, if you not like and say Dadamasis, you are wrong. Or if you like and you say Dadamasis, you are right. So that might know if not to say apologize, I'll say apologize. If not to say okay, move, go with peace. So if you know that what I said today, I'm not right, just say Dada. Yeah. You say Dadamasis, or you say you are right. Or you are wrong. Just comment it. Let me see so that I will know that if I'm wrong or I am right. Just comment it. Just comment. Let me see. Say Dadamasis, you are wrong. Dadamasis, you are right. Dadamasis, you get it wrong in one or two areas. So just tell me so that I will know. People they call me say that made me call them because of Inogi. Inogi man, you know. They get man he with me when I wear do a table near my table nijama. You may get ma. Nyemege, Oma na chebono ruwe, inoge, yago. It's a question you need to ask. Oma na chebonira. We are which could win a cheboniro, ma chebonijo, ma wani chebonigua. Mess with you with you, my brother. You with you, my brother. Social media night is here, baby. Yeah, tamawe. Anytime you ask chebonira, me with you. The only advice I ask for you, ni wa menwe. Start calling your contact. Start a new belief, start kind. Only time not make anybody will that won't go you. The anything. Why make a contact you? Why call it contact you? And a new belief ye why kind? Because I will definitely answer. I will definitely answer. So God bless you guys, and I really do love you. Please let peace reign, let unity restore among ourselves. But I will still beg my brother from Victor Lawo. Oh, hein, I hear you lao. Est-ce no gars? Boleve quoi? On a tout na matoma. Boleve quoi but lao? So hein, lao. You show oh him on that beer. You understand? Et no kunando a pass through na. Et no gyosie. Even ye ya chebo ni meba. Oh hana yare wa. Hai ona wa tamina we ihori oja. De no viere ata. Oda fueno ga gwa ban we. Oda fueno. So he must. I was still say, oh, but you know, Frank, I will still beg you, like, so, baba, I beg you, so, so, Frank, you know, you guys, jogo bo, at the end, why you beg we need that house away? You come together to see the way we can create peace. Because I may go bokwa no amojo, it more time when na egba. Memuja is, memuja ye lane ni. Except in my mom with social media. In on watch me from Vic now. Dada, in with the brother, it will okay. They are no him. I we 5 minutes of film to 1 hour film to sevane. What ya day, what ya sunu, what ya oh he pa oh okay, problem it all. What ya dollar. You know gay. You must not say made day. Now that one you refuse to understand. Say made day. If made a yarn, boys go to look. Many boys go to look. They are saying, well, they obey. Only what they know go with high. Oh, with that, wow. Dada! Oh, with that, and that, ya want that grand. Dada! That was working with the man. Dada, ya want that grand. When we know ya, they could do that grand. We be one. I can't do all that ground for you. I don't know, my brother. Every man. Emi na asunu. Okay, can I tell you bonegbe? I don't know. Wait till me wakwe. Even though we yet your boni rame your boni jeme we. Hey, dada o temene kere o oseme o. Edi foni jeme we nana. Edi foni rame ma we nana. Iwe maybe there is something I can do or I can assist you. Even we do it your boni we no. That's not a very open-minded person. If you know say na lie, they talk. Ask people me don't do business with me or person me don't call me for help for a those things. They will tell you, they never see this kind of person. If you do, you know what your body remember with Jeme now. Number what I'm about with. Maybe I just see one person I go say they look for a no family house. As I will not say take it lightly, never. I will say no. Not so my life, you. My brother, we are all brothers, you know. You're too young to call it lose. You lose God where today. If you want to lose God, not be person like me never curse your mama, curse your papa. You suppose lose God for Frank don't curse you, or not don't curse each other. Not be like person like that, no my tier bonira, tier boniju, tier bonu wese. I feel that thing bite you. And when can okay they tell you. I feel that bite you when can okay they. Yet you have where working okay day. You lose God for me. Now that when I be gamma say you must do it, know what you want before you come life. You lose God for me. You just open up for me. Lose God everything for me. And gamma no they lose God. For gamma to they lose God. Now fuck up. I lose God the way you. We know what you born in rebel to Benny Jimmy. Unnecessary tension we are creating now. So that why we like and we live video. If we want to no, that is unnecessary tension. We will lose God any mania. Nobody will. Even my enemy cannot listen to that voice to that your video and say I should have mercy on you. You don't know. My own enemy cannot listen to that voice record, that your video. Then he will tell you that I have mercy on this boy. Because you don't have anything to prove. Say that insult you, do you this, insult your mother or your father. No. You shall say you lose guard yourself for me. And that lose guard in a very biggest fuck up thing. With their abroad. With their abroad. So my brother, I lose guard with you. Real gamma, no they lose guard. You know why I know the cause person? Because I don't know who be gamma like me. In case you want back me not go see what he go say, hey, now if a true word call for me, see what he talk, now make me para. If they settle the issue self, they ask and say, okay, what he cause the matter? You see what he that talk. So even your friends, your brother, they'll see the parrot with you say, what did this guy do to you before he be? That's why I don't show people's picture. Because I don't know what he go para the demon or the ghost in you. Where now you have me 3,000 views, 2,015. But nene me I play ne babana. I ain't can okay day. Bros, I feel bad for what you do so you know. I they tell you the truth. You lose guard for me. I'm not the lose guard like that again. So that if person want support you, or if person want know what they happen, what they play, you see what to take judge. I don't know what they do that time. You see what you go take judge, so that instantly they find peace for the matter. But say you don't see something take judge, now any one person get what you take the judge, the matter go they play they go. Oh, what attacking at Tiabonik Bear, what Tiabonik Boy, attacking at Tiabono go. But I went out of set way. Okay. You say my rest, Abi. Okay. Wow. Deni dada u dawe. Dada ma ichi ma ezo. Dada na ya tioma. Otiebonu a. Otiebonu da. Mundonu na wa mo bogbera wije. Dada, you right now. Forget for the settle the issue. Say, me go still para. Your friend go still para. Ube go we lose guard in me. Igbe mata no do see na dado atiebonik gba wa atiebonik bi kan popo. No, don't lose guard like that in case of another day. Imani tiebonu wa atie na we. But na we o ma wa ro. O ma like a ball. O ma like all those kind of things. You know say you get with that person they protect. You supposed to know say you get with that person and you are the first person to curse my father and my mother and in no gay. You are the first person for close to 4 years I've been on live video. You are the first person. And una si matanagbe una ya tie bonira me imagbe no tie me o we wa tie boni me una tie bonira me bije me. I swear I will answer you. I will answer you. Then I go where your pan I will answer you. You are the first person to insult my father, my mother on live video for this close to 4 years. I'll be 4 years now. For me, I have never insulted you. This tag I concern me are you. One of me who will add this tag I take concern me are you now? No. What you make you call it cost my papa? And if you draw this matter, you believe me. Begin to make. If I hear you my papa and my mama matter, I don't answer you. I just say they give you time for like 2 weeks. They give you time, so that you feel they make your contact, so that your contact go tight. So that if you believe in you, who you are kind, so that it go tight in case I come. You answer me. So I bless you guys. I'm very angry, but I'm controlling my temper. Now don't oh, why am I but you control your temper? But you know your control. You know why I'm on my control. So my people, we are all brothers, and we are going to continue to live as brothers. God bless you guys. Enugi, I beg what cheboni mo, why cheboni rame cheboni jemela one. Emma, imena cheboni reward with you where we are like it. And I know where they need that will kiss one chebonera with you. So stay blessed. I love you guys so much. May God Almighty bless you guys. And I pray for peace and love among us. Woman, not time when they get that madano. Gele no. On my day, the ghost in me is not good. That is truth. What will be no say, or you tamawe more. No ya get man on or Oswo or Macon. Uche me bon wenania, uche bo me wena, me machinu wenia. Usalu brabo. So Anybody know the Cheboni Rame Cheboni Jim? Frank, Inogi Unwoje, earlier the better. God bless you guys. Stay blessed.